What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully everybody's doing great. It's been a while. Yes, I know. Been busy with life and all that stuff, so yeah, I figured I'd bring you guys a little something. I haven't forgotten about y'all, so it'll be about this guy here. Yep, shocker, it's on the jack stands. Crazy. Still haven't figured out the issue. You've seen the last videos. Took it to get a tune, and it's been a bunch of crap with it. Something with it, mainly all harness related. So I've been searching around, trying to talk to people, see which other way I can go about it. But it's been a pain in the ass. Changed the wheels. Those were the ones on the Q50. And the ones I had here, they're over there now. I was gonna sell that thing, but I came to my senses, and I'm keeping it. There's no need of selling it. Never gonna get what I've put into it anyways, so that's that. And so this video we are gonna work on this guys here, these puppies. You can see I did not do a very good job the first time I did this, so I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully fix them, make it look better. I know I can. So it'll probably be kind of somewhat of a long video, so but yep, that's what I got for you guys. No, it's nothing exciting, but it's something, so hopefully you guys enjoy. Alright, so I just took the little caps from here, the dust caps, whatever, took them off, took all the stickers of the Brembo, put the tape over here, there, did the same thing on all of them. So, yep, and now I'm gonna go ahead and use this and take as much as I can out, and then shove it around there, get as much out, and then get to priming. So alright, so that was that's 220. Okay, I don't know if I should do 400 on top of it or not, but it's most of it. Sorry, see, still got a couple spots there, but might not have to do the 400, but I mean, it's not gonna last forever, but it's looking really good for now. Well, I'll get right back to you when I get all the other ones done. Alright, so I did as much as I could, every single one of them. Now I'm gonna clean them up and then get it going. Yeah, that's gonna stay like that. Not too worried. Screw it. Not worth it. Not worth stressing for it. Alright. We're all set to go. I have to do some ghetto shit there to keep it up there, but as long as it works, alright? So let's get to priming. Alright. I just primed all of them. Put primer on all of them. They're just hanging there. And don't touch it. Yep, anyways. Now I'll show you guys the color. That's the color I'm going with. I didn't want to do red again. I was thinking blue. Blue's not all. That's like more for BMW. I don't know that I've seen this before, but we will see how it goes. I think it'll look good. What you guys think? Yeah, so that's says engine metallic, but it's high temperature, so it should be good. Probably do 2 or 3 coats, maybe 4, and hopefully it won't be too bad. Then I got the stickers right here. Brembos, they're all black. So might put those on the back, we'll see. So let's get it going. All right, that is about as factory color as it gets. Holy shit. So that's just one coat. Still have to go around it probably 2 more times, maybe 3, just to fuck around, but I like it. It's looking really good, really good. Let's do the other ones now. All right, update. I've already painted all of them. That's what they're looking like. I like it, I like it. It's looking really good, better than I expected actually. I was gonna go around show you guys all of them, but they all look the same. I just gonna let it dry overnight, and then tomorrow I'll put the emblem, not the emblem, but the stickers, and then I'll clear coat it over. Look pretty good. So hopefully that'll be good too. I'll jump to the next clip. Somebody take him home. Somebody take him with you. Nope. Alright, so it is the next day. Looking at them, looking all good. This one here. Good enough. Good enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and inspect them, make sure they're all good enough, and I will go ahead and put the stickers on there and clear coat them over. So let's do that. All right, so after a couple coats, this is what we're looking like. Focuses, yep, there you go. That looks like OEM. Love it. Looks good. Pretty happy with it. So the other Brembo sticker or whatever was too long, so I just decided to go with that. Looks pretty clean. So I'm pretty happy with it. So I just gotta let it dry now and put them back on. So I guess we can continue this video once we got it all back together, and I'll show you guys. All right, so here's the final product. Still haven't put them in, not yet. I'm waiting for it to like dry off completely, which they are for the most part. They're not perfect, but they're definitely better than they did. So we're very happy with it. Yep, got some stuff I need to work out with this car still. So that's why I haven't really posted a lot. It's been a nightmare. All I just want is for you to run how you have to. That's it, man. That's all I want. Put too much money and time into you. Come on, I need you. But anyways, that note, probably gonna cut the video here. I have another video coming for you guys, which should be an exciting one. It's one that's been in the back burner for a while. It has nothing to do with this car, with the Q50. So, but anyways, hopefully you guys liked it. I do love the color, looks way better. Make sure you guys grab some merch in the description. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and then I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.